Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the laptop and the file open. Now begin. Press and hold the Control key, then tap F to open the search box. This is faster than menus because it uses a single, system-level shortcut. Once the search box appears, type the word or phrase you want. You can paste text if it's long, and make sure focus stays in the search field so matches update as you type. The shortcut works in browsers, editors, and many PDF viewers. After the initial find, refine results to save time and reduce noise. If you need exact capitalization, toggle match case. If you want whole word hits only, enable that option. Use quotes for exact multi-word phrases in apps that support it. Navigate matches with Enter, Shift plus Enter, or the next / previous arrows shown in the search UI. This keeps your place without scrolling manually. Once done, clear the box or press ESC to return to normal editing. Wrap up by using Replace features when you need to change repeated text. Press Ctrl plus H in editors or browsers that support it. If results don't appear, make sure the document encoding matches your search text and watch for invisible characters like non-breaking spaces. If Ctrl plus F doesn't open search, confirm the app supports the shortcut or try a different program. Restarting the app often clears focus or extension conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.